What I'm going to talk about in this video is a woman's weak point. I'm Larissa Alencar, an expert in relationships and romantic conquest. And here I am deciphering the female mind in attraction, seduction, and love. And I'll show you how to be a confident man and how to win over the woman you desire. So I'm going to reveal to you here what a woman's greatest weak point is. And once you understand this, you have a great deal of power in your hands. The thing is, we all have a need, a fundamental desire that many may not admit, but that is within every human being. And it is the desire to be validated and appreciated. So every time you go to a woman's profile and you see lots of photos of her exposing herself, showing off her beauty, or even when you post photos of yourself on your profile, working out in a car you bought, or on a trip you took, you are seeking validation, you are seeking appreciation. Oh Larissa, but I'm actually posting this because it's my profile and I post whatever I want. But if you weren't looking for that validation, that appreciation, you could save it on your phone. Just like this woman, she could save it. But no, we're all looking for validation and appreciation. That's normal. You don't need to be ashamed of it. And the weak point of the overwhelming majority of women is their ego. And maybe many men understand that yes, women like to be appreciated, but it's not enough for you to become a flatterer of women. You flatter a woman so that she'll be interested in you. Because then, if you're complimenting her excessively, you're showing that you appreciate and validate this woman. But it's not that specifically the appreciation and validation of any man that makes this woman have this ego fed. We, in general, are not moved by being appreciated by just anyone. So, if your mother, let's say, your mother compliments you a lot, that's not what's going to make your day. Because you think, why, but my mother, she always compliments me. My mother already thinks I'm incredible, naturally. Or your grandmother, or your grandfather. Anyone who already has this natural appreciation for you. Now, if a woman you find very interesting, very attractive, compliments you, then yes, that messes with your ego. The bottom line is that we want to be appreciated by those we value. That woman wants to be appreciated by the man, by the type of man she values. Okay, Larissa, and how does a woman start to value me? The first thing you need to do is to always put yourself on the same level as her. Always talk to a woman as an equal. Never put yourself down, nor put yourself on a lower level, below the woman you are interested in. Now I'm going to tell you a phrase that you can use, knowing that a woman's weak point is her ego, when you are in the process of getting to know this woman better, of talking to her, of engaging in conversation with her. Be careful. You should not use this phrase as an opener, as an icebreaker. So what you're going to say is, do you know what I found interesting about yours? And here it could be about your profile, about your photo, about what you said yesterday, about what you just talked about. Do you know what I found most interesting about? Can you feel the feeling behind those words? This automatically awakens the instinctive brain of this woman, who is looking for appreciation, approval. And she will want to know what it is, what you found most interesting about what she said. Women, they are curious, they automatically want to know the answer to what has to do with her. Because I'm going to reveal to you now, this video is full of revelations. I'm going to reveal to you now what it is. The number one subject that every woman likes to talk about. And do you know what it is? It's about her. About the subjects that have to do with her. Her passions. That's the main subject. So when you use this phrase, you generate an automatic impact on this woman, and at the same time a certain fear of the unknown. A fear of what you're going to talk about. A curiosity with fear. And if you liked learning about what a woman's weak point is when it comes to seduction, and you want to go deeper and develop skills to emotionally engage a woman and generate attraction and desire in her for you,